Hello, third grade, and welcome to problem solving for today. In the next couple of weeks, we are going to be looking at adding and subtracting in word problems, and we'll be picking out words that help us determine if we need to add or subtract. For our problem solving, remember we always start with cube, circle, underline, box, evaluate, and solve. I would like you to circle the important numbers, underline the question, and I'm going to box the word that gives me a clue of what I have to do. So we have to add both of these. Let's read through the question. Suppose a bus travels 276 miles on Monday and 248 miles on Tuesday. How many miles does the bus travel? So I need to find how far the bus traveled for Monday and Tuesday. So I know on Monday, I traveled 200. Give myself more space. Monday, they traveled 276 miles. And then on Tuesday, they traveled 248 miles. I want you to see how I lined up the ones places together, the tens, and the hundreds. I lined all of those together. Please go ahead and write this down. Now, when we are adding, if our total is above 9, then we are going to have to carry to the next place value. Now, when we're adding, we're going to use this poem to help us answer our problem. If it adds up to 10, everything is fine. Sorry, if it adds up to 9, everything is fine. 10 or more, take the extra next door. And that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to choose a different color to answer my problem. I'll choose red. And I need to add 6 plus 8. Now I know that 6 plus 6 is 12 and 2 more is 14. So I have more than 9. 14 is more than 9. So I'm going to take the extra next door and drop the other on the floor. 14. Now when I'm adding my tens place, I'm going to add that one that I put above the 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4, well, I know that 8 plus 2 is 10, and 2 more than that is 12. So I'm going to, it's 10 or more, so I'm going to take the extra next door and drop the other on the floor. 12. Now in my hundreds place, I'm going to add 1 plus 2 plus 2. I know 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. That is below 9, so everything is fine. I need to make sure I always add my units, miles. We're going to continue looking at addition and addition word problems in our next activities. After you have this written out, you can move on to the next step.